Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, this is Ian and welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a while. I went to the Philippines for a 40 days vacation and then I'm back to the US. I just worked straight after my vacation, but now I cannot miss this chance not to vlog this one, guys, because I am traveling to Orlando, Florida with the one and the only, the most sought after nurse in the Midwest, the ano ka nga ba? The Melanie Marquez of the Midwest. Ladies and gentlemen, I am with Cham Tuazo.
Hi guys!
Wow. Calculate natin ang outfit. We will see you at the airport.
Bye!
Hi guys, so naka-check-in na ako but I'm still waiting for Cham. Nasa labas pa siya, papasok pa lang siya. It just took me less than a minute to get in, guys, because I have a global entry. So that's one of the benefits of getting a global entry, guys. If you don't have that, you should get one. Dahil you can really skip long lines at the airport. Antayin natin si Cham. Guys, finally nakalabas na si Cham sa pila. After 20 minutes, ako nag-antay sa kanya. Ayan siya. With her golden belt. Ayan. Bakit ang tagal? Ang tagal mo.
Kasi
Bakit?
parang siyang screening ng Binibining Pilipinas.
Yeah, pre-departure. 20 minutes na ako nag-aantay dito.
Grabe ang kakuan.
Kaya you should really get global entry kasi less stress. Less than 1 minute nakapasok na ako, guys. Applyin natin yan mamaya, ha? Oh, ayan. Sige. Turuan na natin yung mga followers natin how to do that to skip long lines if you are a hardcore traveler like Chamelita. Yun ang need nyo. Sige. Tingnan mo naman ang outfit, guys. I-zoom natin sa golden belt. Ayan. Golden belt ang labanan. Anong peg mo sa Orlando? Anong peg mo sa Orlando?
Secret.
Yan, pasabog. Abangan nyo yan, guys. For now, magsa-Starbucks muna kami kasi we have a little bit of time. O, ayan. O. Hanap na naman siya ng mga gwapo, guys. Feeling ko, kakain na naman to sa Orlando. No, kakain ka, no? Ng saba. Hi guys, so we are now at Orlando International Airport. Orlando International Airport ba to? Hindi ko alam. So, ano, hinahanap pa namin yung way namin. Ano, ground transportation. Tara. Hanapin mo.
Saan mo yan?
Andiyan siya, oh. So we're just waiting for our ride, guys. May kwento si Cham sa inyong nakakatawa. Kukwento namin mamaya. Sa hotel lang para mas masaya. Hi guys! First day in Orlando. I am with Mark from North Dakota and Cham from the Philippines. Dito lang talaga siya for vacation.
Wow.
Anong pasabog natin today? Anong pasabog mo today?
Marami din.
O sige, kwento namin guys yung nangyari sa airport.
Ayun.
Guys, hindi namin alam yung airline. Sisingilin pala kami ng carry-on baggage. Ako naka-backpack ako, so wala akong binayaran. Ang ate natin, naka-maleta. Tapos anong sabi? Kwento mo sa
Hindi,
kanila.
kasi I was thinking na walang babayaran kasi last time na nag-travel kami na yung friend natin si Ed.
Oo.
Wala naman akong binayaran na mayroon naman akong carry-on baggage naman.
Mhm.
Pagpunta ko doon, best. Yan, parang...
Hinol siya, wait lang miss, sabi ng taga-airport. Sabi niya, dito ka muna sa side, tapos
May mga
pinabayad siya.
pa-measurement pa si ate, Beb.
Yeah, oo. So, nagbayad talaga siya.
Pa-measurement ng mga chemi. So, pinabayad ako ng
$99.
$99, Beb.
Tapos pagsakay na ng eroplano, sabi niya, pinabayad niya ako. Tapos hindi ako magbibit-bit nito. Sinabi niya sa flight attendant, hey, can you please put my luggage in the conveyor? Sabi ng ng
Funny
flight
part.
attendant, ito yung funny part, sabi ng attendant, why, are you blind? Kasi naka-shade siya. Naka-shade siya yan. Are you blind daw? Tapos sabi niya, no, I like broke my shoulder. Sabi ng attendant, buti na lang daw, hindi mabigat yung bag niya kasi daw may scoliosis.
Pala si ate. Nakuha naman ako doon. Nakonsensya naman ako doon.
Best friend niya na yung flight attendant all the rest ng flight namin. Ayan, papunta kami yung Universal Studios ngayon.
See you later.
Magra-rides ang ating kaibigan. See ya! Yes! A beautiful creature. Magtitinda yata siya ng kakanin. Naga-grinder.
Orlando.
Yay!
First day in Orlando.
Yay! Oh my God, si Chong. First day in Orlando, New York. Anong announcement mo?
God,
May
very
announcement
fun.
siya.
Very
The-
nice.
The design is very Makati.
Makati.
Makati. Naghanap kami ng guys, public restroom kasi sobrang na, lakad ng lakad. So guys, galing na namin sa The Mummy Ride. Did you like it? The design is very
Dramatic brain injury.
parang GCS3 na siya after. Ayan yung dila. Ano pinaka-favorite mo? The Mummy... Ano ba yung sinakyan natin? Yung The Men in Black and Transformer. Mas gusto ko yung Transformers.
Mas gusto ko yun.
The design is very lethal for The Mummy.
The design is...
Gusto mo ba mong sumakay?
Very Enrique Iglesias. Oh my God.
Alam mo namang madami dito sila. Loka-loka ka talaga. Hi guys! Fourth coffee for the day.
Wow.
Ay, bungga.
Coffee time.
The design...
Hi boys!
Hi! Oh my God, si Chow! Second day in Orlando and the design is very formal. We are heading to Jollibee, which was recently
The
opened in
design is
Orlando.
very Disneyland.
Yes, the design is very spaghetti and yum burger. Say hi, Mark, to the vlog.
The design is very vlogger.
Yes. The design of the bag, I like it. Pinasipa ng flight attendant.
Tatay ka daw.
Yes, so we will show you the Jollibee burger and the spaghetti burger. The spaghetti, the sweet spaghetti.
Bongga.
So guys, nasa Jollibee kami. Orlando Jollibee. This is very new.
We've been craving for this since yesterday.
Yes, I know. We have Jollibee in Minnesota, pero not that good. Yeah. Yeah, there's Jollibee there. Chicago people will
in
bring it to
Chicago.
Minnesota.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Yes.
Excited.
The design is very spicy chicken. Let's go, get inside.
Pinuha ko ang condom. You want me to get out that condom? No, you don't have to cut one.
Guys, ano pala? kinapkapan siya. Tapos, minsan na, i-raise yung na ganito. Na ganito siya guys, parang inaresto. The design is
Very wanted.
sobrang layo pala. Parang buong city siya talaga, no? Tapos, from here sa entrance, sasakay pa kami ng bus or ano pala, monorail. Papunta sa sa Magic Kingdom. So, let's go! Oh my God! The design is...
The design is very magic carpet. The design is very jasmine.
Okay, first try ni siya guys. Maghahanap kami ng second ride namin. After ng parade, ayan na siya. The design is very manas. Daming tao guys, grabe, ang saya. Hi guys, so that concludes our Magic Kingdom for today. We will see you at the airport tomorrow. Bye!
Tomorrow we're heading back to...
Hey guys, so we are heading back to Minneapolis. We are in a monorail right now, moving to Terminal 1. It was such a fun vacation. Hey guys, so traveling back to Minneapolis with the lady. Oh my God. The design is wearing blouse inside the men's bathroom.
The design is very feminine. Very transgender.
Oh my God. Well, that's it for this week, guys. I will see you again next time. Bye.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.